Understanding quick burst of fame. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or on social media: quick burst of fame. This phrase captures a unique and increasingly common phenomenon in our digital age. So, if you're curious about what it means and how to use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's dissect the phrase, quick burst of fame. It's made up of 3 words, each carrying significant meaning. Quick refers to something happening at a fast pace or within a short period. Burst suggests a sudden or intense activity. And fame is the state of being known or recognized by many people. When we combine these words, the phrase describes a scenario where someone becomes very famous very quickly, but the fame is short-lived. To better understand this concept, let's look at some real-life examples. A quick burst of fame can happen to ordinary individuals who go viral on the internet for a funny video, a unique talent, or even a meme. One day, they're just regular people, and the next, they're recognized worldwide. However, this kind of fame often fades away as quickly as it arrived, as the public moves on to the next viral sensation. Experiencing a quick burst of fame can have various implications. For some, it can open doors to new opportunities, such as media appearances or brand partnerships. For others, it can be overwhelming, especially when the attention includes scrutiny or criticism. It's a double-edged sword that highlights the transient nature of fame in the digital era. Now that you understand what quick burst of fame means, you might wonder how to use it in conversation. It's a versatile phrase that can describe a wide range of situations, from a friend's sudden popularity on social media to a new artist topping the charts overnight. For example, you could say, she experienced a quick burst of fame after her song went viral on TikTok. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, quick burst of fame. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phenomenon and how you can discuss it in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding the stories and contexts they represent. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.